Welcome viewers. In today's lecture, we are going to learn BCD and 7 segment and the conversion between them. 7 LED segments are commonly used to display decimal numbers in a digital display. The 7 segment display device is used for displaying 0 to 9 numerals. The most common examples are digital watches as well as digital thermometers. The binary coded decimal can be converted to 7 segment using a BCD to 7 segment decoder. The BCD to 7 segment decoder has 4 input lines A, B, C and D. Notice that A is the LSB and D is the MSB and has 7 output lines A, B, C, D, E, F and G. It accepts a decimal digit in BCD and generates a corresponding 7-segment code. Binary coded decimal or BCD is the encoding scheme of representing decimal numbers 0 to 9 into its equivalent binary form. Here, a decimal number is converted using 8421 scheme, where 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3, 4 is equal to 2 to the power 2, 2 is equal to 2 to the power 1 and 1 is equal to 2 to the power 0. The 7 segment is a device that uses 7 light emitting diodes or LEDs to display the binary numbers into its equivalent decimal and hexadecimal form. 7 segment LED display can be classified into 2 types: common anode and common cathode. Common anode. In common anode, all the anodes of 7 segment LEDs are connected to plus VCC, and when some low signals is applied to the individual anodes, the LEDs display in form of digits. In common anode, we need to supply logic 0 to illuminate the LEDs. In common cathode, all the cathodes of 7 segment LEDs are connected to minus VCC. And when some high signals is applied to the individual cathodes, the LEDs display in form of digits. In common cathode, we need to supply logic 1 to illuminate the LEDs. The conversion from BCD to 7 segment using common cathode is done by the following method. Here we see when we want to convert 0 from decimal, we get 0, 0, 0, 0 in binary or BCD. Now when we convert it in 7 segment, we see that the LEDs A, B, C, D, E, F for shape 0, whereas G is equal to 0. Now we see when we want to convert 1 base 10, we get 0, 0, 0, 1 in binary or BCD. Now when we convert it in 7 segment, we see that the LEDs B and C will glow for shape 1, whereas A, D, E, F, G is equal to 0. Similarly, for the remaining condition of the binary equivalent of the decimal numbers, the corresponding LEDs will glow. This can be shown in the table called the truth table of BCD to 7 segment. The K-map is thus realized and the Boolean expressions obtained are A is equal to A plus CD plus BD plus B0 D0. B is equal to B0 plus C0 D0 plus CD. C is equal to B plus C0 plus D. D is equal to B0 D0 plus C D0 plus B C0 D plus B0 C. E is equal to B0 D0 plus C D0. F is equal to A plus C0 D naught plus B C naught plus B D naught. And G is equal to B naught C plus C D naught plus B C naught plus A. The above Boolean expression obtained from the K-map can be implemented in the circuit diagram. Here, A, B, C, D and their complements are passed through the AND and the OR gates to obtain the 7-segment Boolean expressions. In this lecture, we have learned Introduction to BCD and 7-segment, types of 7 segments, LEDs, conversion of BCD to 7-segment using truth table, K-map and circuit diagram implementation. With this, we are at the end of this lecture. We will meet again in the next lecture. Till then, learn and practice repeatedly. Thank you and goodbye.